What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tymarrahgi. We are back with another video. Today we are going to be doing a 2-week update on these micro extra small boho braids. Y'all know I switch my styles up so much. I actually took time to keep this hair in. I wanted to give you guys an update on boho hair. When I was telling y'all before that this is good quality hair, like, I was not lying. I wanted to do it, like, I'm about to take these out, so I was like, I want to do it before I take it out. I'm taking it out probably later on tonight. I'm about to go to school, so I was like, let me just, you know, give y'all a 2-week update, and then also I am going to show you guys some style. If you guys are watching this video and you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button because we are on the road to 300K. So make sure you guys run it up. Let's just go ahead and get into this 2-week, you know, update. So do not judge me for what's about to come out of this bonnet. I wanted to show y'all what the hair looking like this because, like, when I say, like, this is such good quality hair, this is like really good low maintenance boho hair, like, I actually really mean it, because it looks like this now, but it's not gonna look like this in a few seconds. I did cut it, not because the hair had like any issues or anything. Y'all know I don't keep a style in for long, so I had to try to like do something else to try to make me keep it in, like, because I was gonna end up taking them out, but I was like, okay, I'm gonna leave it in for a few more days. But this is about 2.5 weeks now. Like, we're almost into the next, well, it's Tuesday, but still. I'm just gonna show y'all what my roots are looking like. Now, this is not me wrapping it. Sometimes I was going to sleep without a bonnet, you know, but this is just what my roots are looking like. But I know some people love this look, like the boho hair that looks kind of like old. Like, people really love that look. And this is what the other side looks like. And then this is what the hair is looking like while it's been sitting in my bonnet. I'm gonna just go ahead and spray the water on so you guys can actually see the magic happen. And y'all can see, like, instantly, literally instant, the curls are back popping. That's why I said, and I wasn't just saying it because, you know, I love this company. I have a big trip coming up in the summer and I'm gonna be gone for a little minute. I don't know if I would do this again. I don't know if I would do it. I would probably go and get it done because it took me so long. And I've seen y'all in the comments talking about how much you charge. Girl, I'm not doing this on anybody. Like, hello? I'm not doing this on anybody. It took me long enough to do it on myself. Doing it on somebody else, girl, y'all know I'm not no hairstylist. I just show y'all how to do it. So y'all better get what y'all can from the videos. It's almost instant. Like, the hair just snaps right back. Like, I done had days, even when it was longer before I cut it, that it was sitting in the bonnet and I take it out and the hair is just right back. Like, I was not playing. Like, I was so serious. Just to be realistic, you are gonna get some shedding. Like, there's no hair on earth that doesn't shed. Our hair even sheds, but it's not like nothing crazy, like, oh my gosh, like my hair is coming out every time I run my fingers through it. It's nothing like that. Like, only time you'll probably get shedding is if you sit it in the bonnet like how I was doing and you don't do nothing to it, and you not, like, if you went days without like putting your fingers through it and putting water on it and stuff like that, then you might come across some little shedding. And I am going to show you guys how much shedding came about with me just doing this. It's not a lot, it's very minimal. This is how much hair that I got from doing all of that. And if y'all hear a lawnmower in the back, just please bear with me. They doing landscaping outside, child. Just act like you don't even hear it. Okay, I'm talking about act like you don't even hear it. I'm sitting here. For my edges, y'all, if I am wanting to do like the little cutesy clip, it everybody just want to do something now. When I turn on the camera, now the fire trucks want to, like, what are we talking about? Back to business. When I want to do like my little fluffy edges, like when I first did the install, you guys know that I did use Got To Be spray. When I'm just trying to do something really quick, I don't really want to keep curling my edges because my hair is perm. I have to do a little touch up, which is why it don't look perm no more. But I just go in with my Wetline Extreme. If y'all watching this video and y'all haven't watched the full tutorial, click the cards and go watch the tutorial. Like, why are you here and you haven't watched the actual tutorial? Girl, and hit that subscribe button if you ain't subscribed, because why are you here and you not subscribed? I'm not gonna try to like lay these down or anything like that. I'm taking these out today. I really don't care. But first things first, this is the first style, y'all. A little side part, little cute side part. I'm not gonna talk y'all through each style. I'm just gonna go and, you know, just show y'all each style and like a slide, cute little music in the back. Let me show y'all what the hair looks like in the back. This is what it's giving. But yeah, you guys, before we get into these styles, like, I really want to say, like, Hot Braids is a very, very, very good company when it comes to boho hair. And I'm not saying that because I work with the company. I'm saying that because I've actually used the company outside of working with the company. Like, this is my go-to boho hair. Like, there is some other companies that have good boho hair, but I have experienced like tangling and stuff like that, and I was kind of nervous doing this, and I thought I wasn't going to keep it in for long because I was like, this texture hair, like, it has to be really good in order for me to do this, because I don't want the hair to be like snagging or like tangled or anything like that. And this hair is far from tangled. Like, people always say boho hair is not a low maintenance hairstyle, but when you have high quality hair and you do it this way, it definitely is, because this is all human hair. I braided the boho pieces into my real hair and continued the braid with the boho hair. So this is 100% human hair through and through. So you're gonna get a good last hold, whatever it is, longevity good. Like, this is literally a great low maintenance hairstyle. Let's just go ahead and start these hairstyles. All right, you guys, so that was the end of this video, this 2-week update slash give y'all 16 trillion hairstyles that I gave y'all. I really wanted to end with this little high puff thing because I am about to go out, about to go to school, so I just want something, you know, easy. Like I said before, if you guys did want to achieve this hairstyle and you want to know where to get this hair from, you guys can click the video in the cards that is for this tutorial for this hair. All the information that you need to know is in that video. But if you guys do have more questions that can't be answered on the video, you guys can go ahead and comment down below. Comment down below what other content you guys would like to see from me. I will be posting weekly and I will be posting very, very frequently now. Like I said before, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we are on the way to 300K, y'all. I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. Gi Babesss, we out.